Thanks for getting your account signed up. Now here's where the fun begins. This is when we start to share the numbers with you. This video, we're actually going to show you the numbers that it takes to produce a $10,000 a month residual income that comes month after month after month. It's going to be pretty exciting. But before we get there, I want to talk to you a second and tell you something. I want you to think about this when you watch this video. The concept already works because you did it. What do you mean by that? Did you not just take a trial? Did you not just prove that all of our videos made you take action? It did, right? Well, that's the exciting part because it does for everybody. And so when people see how it worked and say, man, yeah, you're right, I did it. I had to get a free account. Your marketing system was so good. It happens to everybody. And that's the power of this system. We're about to show you the numbers that you can do and why so many people are taking advantage of this. And they can't deny it because they've already done it. Now, if you didn't take a free trial, you could say, it wouldn't work. But you did. You set up an account, and that's why you're watching this video. So I want you to think about that because people are just like you. The same emotions that made you say, wow, this looks really good, I can't wait to set up an account, is the same emotions that they feel and the same action that they take. I got to tell you, in 20 years, I've never seen anything convert as good as that video, and it is making life-changing incomes for people that are putting it into play, and we're about to get in the numbers to show you what kind of numbers and some of the fun with that. So pay close attention to this, and most importantly, get started, because the quicker you get started, the quicker you can see these kind of numbers. All right, I'll see you in the numbers. Do you realize what you just did? You proved our system works awesome because you set up a free account. Hundreds of people join every hour, just like you did. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to realize giving away something for free is super easy. No one says no to free. Just on Facebook, there are thousands looking to make money that would love to join for free. Question: can you give away this super hot system you already proved to work 20 times a day for free? We have people that do that in under an hour. A week is 7 days. So 20 trials times 7 days is 140 free trials given away. After 7 days, people upgrade and pay $50. That's only $1.61 a day, less than a Diet Coke. Why do they upgrade? Because during their first week, they give away a ton of trials. If they don't upgrade, they will miss out on all commissions. So the fear of loss makes them want to upgrade ASAP. We pay you $25 on every upgrade. If someone upgrades for 6 months, you make $125 up front. If they upgrade to a year, you make $250 up front. For this example, we'll only talk about the monthly. So out of the 140 free signups, let's say 90 didn't upgrade. That would mean 50 people did, less than 50% decided to upgrade. Your commission would be 25 times 50, which is $1,250 made for the week. Here's where it gets really good. Let's say all those upgrades stayed in for a year. That would be an extra $1,250 per month. That's an extra $15,000 per year for 1 week's work. What if you did this easy formula every week for a month? 140 trials, 50 upgraded. 25 times 50 is $1,250 per week. 1,250 times 4 weeks in a month equals $5,000. If all those people stayed upgraded for a year, $5,000 per month times 12 months equals $60,000. So 1 month's work could make you an extra $60,000 per year. Quick reminder, you already proved this marketing system worked. You signed up. Why wouldn't others do exactly what you did? Now, let's do this one more month. 1,250 times 4 equals another $5,000 per month. Add that to last month's $5,000, so $5,000 plus $5,000 equals $10,000. So if everyone stays active, that's $10,000 per month, $120,000 per year for 2 months of work. What if you worked every month? Do the math on that.